Two sonnets from Astrophel and Stella, written by the noble knecht, Sir Philip Sidney. Loving in truth and fine in verse me love to show that she, dear she, mich tak some pleasure of me pine. Pleasure mich cause her red, redding mich mak her know, knowledge mich pity win and pity grass obtain. Is sought fit words to paint the blackest face o' war, studying inventions vain her wits to entertain, oft turning others' lives, to see if thence would flow some fresh and fruitful showers upon me sunburned brine. But words calm, halting forth, wanting invention stye. Invention, nature's child, fled step damn studies blows, and others' feet still seemed but strangers in me way. Thus great with child to speck, and helpless in me throes, biting me through and pen, baiting myself for spite. Fool, sighed me muse to me, look in the heart and write. Not at first sight, nor yet with a dribbed shot love gave the wound, which while I breathe will bleed. But known worth did in mine of time proceed, till by degrees it had full conquest got. I saw and liked. I liked but loved not. I loved but strife did not what love decreed. At length to love's decrees I first agreed, yet with repining at so partial lot. Now in that footstep of lost liberty is gone, and now, like slave-born Muscovite, I call it prize to suffer tyranny, and now employ the remnant of my wit to make myself believe that all is well, while with a feeling skill I paint me hell. If you liked this video and want to help me make more things like it, consider making a pledge at my Patreon account.